Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you're very well. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about making money from PLR very quickly and very easily. You can make money with PLR so easily, and this has been the backbone of my business for the last few years, as you may or may not know. Now, before we get into that, I'd just like to say, if you like this video, give it a like. If you subscribe to my channel, and then in the comments below, you tell me why you deserve to get some free PLR from me, I'll give you some free PLR as a gift. All right, so you just need to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and then tell me why you deserve it, and I will give you some free PLR. So PLR is public label rights. That basically means it's a digital product where you've got almost a complete open license to do whatever you want. So that means you can change the name, you can change the content, you can change who it's by, you can put it's by you or a pen name, and basically turn it into whatever you want. My business started by taking a piece of PLR, because I wanted to launch on a platform called Warrior Plus. I wanted to launch a product, and I thought, well, I can just go and get a piece of PLR, and then I won't have to record videos like this. You know, I have my face on camera and my voice on the microphone. So I downloaded this PLR, found that it was a load of rubbish, and realized that I needed to do something to it. And so what I did was I pimped it, and that basically was the beginning of my process for what I call now Pimper, which was a product I then released afterwards to teach how I did that. But I'm going to go through the steps with you quickly now, so that you've got a bit of an idea of how you can actually take a piece of PLR and make money from it, which is obviously what we all want to do. That's what I started doing a few years ago, and I've done over $2 million since then. So the first thing you want to do is find your PLR product. Then you're going to consume the content until you fully understand it, test it, tweak it, rebrand it, rewrite it, and launch it. And that's it. There's 7 steps to the whole process, but let me break those down for you a little bit more simply. Finding your PLR product. Well, there are plenty of platforms out there if you do a search online for PLR, but of course I've got a product that I've just released called 15 million PLR assets, and for just $12.95 you get 15 million pieces of PLR. There will be a link for that below this video. I do suggest that you pick that up because it's a ridiculous no-brainer. I couldn't actually believe what I was doing when I put that together. For the price, it's just crazy. So if you want PLR, pick that up. There's a whole range of different PLRs that we've got in there, as you'll see on the sales page. So you find your piece of PLR. The second thing you want to do is consume the content until you fully understand it. Now, basically what that means is, what I did was I got a piece of PLR that was about hashtags. And at the time I had no experience of hashtags. So what I thought I'd do is go through the training and see if I could apply what they were teaching in there and see if it worked. So I consumed it until I fully understood it. Then test it and tweak it. Now that's the next part of it, because you might find that a piece of PLR was written a few years ago and things have changed then. Of course, the big thing that's happened in the last sort of year or so is AI, and that's changed a lot of things. So you want to test the strategy if you possibly can. So if it's teaching you something, if it's teaching you how to build an email list, if it's teaching you how to rank a website, if it's teaching you how to get to #1 on YouTube, for example, test it and see if it works. And if it doesn't, find a way that does. That's the tweaking. And then what you're doing is you're bringing your own stamp to that piece of PLR. That's how you can improve the perceived value of it. Rebrand it. So obviously rebranding that's going to be renaming it and changing the graphics, etc, etc. Now, all of how to do that is covered in my Pimper ebook, which you get for free when you pick up the 15 million PLR assets. All right, so everything I'm showing you right now, and I'm going to show you in a second, this whole ebook is covered in there. You get that for free as one of my bonuses. Okay, so rebranding it, you give it a new name. These days you can go to ChatGPT and you can just say, you know, if you've got, let's say you've got some articles on list building, then you go to ChatGPT and you say, come up with a really catchy name for me for a product that's going to teach people how to build their email list, and it will come up with a name for you, as simple as that. And then rewrite it. Well, of course, rewriting now is really easy as well, thanks to AI, because you can actually take the piece of PLR, you can drop it into ChatGPT, and then you can just say, please rewrite this, and check the grammar, and give me a completely original, unique new version of this, and it will do that. So that part of it is really simple. Then you launch it, and the way I launch things is on Warrior Plus, and it's a simple process as well. So those 7 steps, as I said, are all covered in this ebook here. So if we go through, you'll see that I cover everything in detail for you. I go through the whole concept, test it, tweak it, rebrand it, and come down here, rewrite it, All right, so you've got all of this you're going to get absolutely for free. I show you how to add images, how to turn it into a PDF if you want to, etc., etc. So everything you need to know, the equipment that you need to have, etc. The whole thing is in this ebook. Launch it. You know, you've got the whole bit there, and that there is free when you pick up 50 million PLR assets through my link. So 50 million PLR assets is a massive, massive bundle of PLR that covers a whole range. I'll show you what it covers in a second, but for $12.95, this is your like one-time opportunity during the launch to get this at this ridiculously low price. So let me show you what's in there. So included in this bundle for less than $12.95, you've got the ultimate graphic bundle, you've got the ultimate video bundle, the ultimate developer bundle, the ultimate ebook and article bundle, and the ultimate ChatGPT prompts bundle. So it's a massive resource and it covers a hell of a lot of different niches. Now, if you didn't want to package this up, and you know, because what you can do is basically you can take any one of these bundles, you can split those down into chunks as well and repackage that and put those into a funnel with a front end and upsells, etc., etc. And you could do that on Warrior Plus. You could change it, rename it, repackage the amount of numbers so it becomes a unique product, and then you could sell, for example, a graphic bundle with a graphic bundle upsell, a graphic bundle upsell 2 and 3, where you might, for example, put the 150,000 royalty stock images as the front end and the front end product, and then you might say that the first upsell is 250,000 t-shirt designs, and then you could charge, let's say, $37 for the front end, and then a further $47 for the first upgrade. You can see how you can make a lot of money with this. But if you wanted to find other platforms to sell on, then I've done a little bit of research for you as well. Now, in my bonus document where you've got all my bonuses for this, I've also included the links to these where I've done the research, and these are different platforms where you can sell your digital products. So you'll see that on here, for example, you've got Selfie, you've got Podia, Shopify, Gumroad, you've got Easy Digital Downloads, you've got Thinkific, you've got eJunkie, Teachable, FastSpring, DPD, ClickBank, Sendow, Payloads, Creative Market, etc. There's a load of those in there, and I've got those in my bonus document. So when you buy 15 million PLR assets through my link, you'll get instant access to this bonus document in your Warrior Plus account. You simply go to your purchase history in Warrior Plus, drop down to purchase history, and then go to 15 million PLR assets, and you'll see a blue affiliate bonus button. That's what you click on to get access to this. There's going to be the OTO pages there again for you, so that if you didn't catch those on the way through, you've got more of a chance to do it at your own, your own leisure. Then here I've got the 15 best platforms to sell digital products online 2023, 21 profitable digital products and where to sell them, and 101 high product digital products and how to sell them in 2023. You've got those 3 links there, so you can get a really good feel for other ways that you can do this. I'm also going to include this training, so you've got how to pimp plain text into a professional ebook to sell. I'm also going to give you List Prodigy, 10 ways of generating free buyer traffic, SEO Masterclass, Pick Phrase Pro and Pick Phrase Pro OTO 1, Rank Vault and Rank Vault Unlimited, List Smasher 21 email hacks and List Smasher traffic, PDF Dynamo 2 million articles, and PDF Dynamo Unlimited, and how to make money online with Warrior Plus as an affiliate. So you're going to get all of those for free when you pick up 15 million PLR assets through my link. All right, so that's ready and waiting for you. So just the thing then to remember about PLR: it's private label rights, and you can do whatever you want with it. What I would suggest you do is, if you pick up my bundle, which is obviously a no-brainer, go through that, take a look at some of the stuff, find what you like the look of, and then start creating a product, a front-end product, and then think about how you can take some of those assets to create a funnel. Ideally, what you want to be doing is having a front-end product, a bit like mine, so it's like $12.95. So you might take a part of that bundle, and then you want some upsells. So the first upsell might be $17, then it might be $27, then $37. Once you've got a little funnel like that, all you got to do is get people to get eyes on that particular page, that sales page for that product that you've got. Now, your sales page doesn't have to be too complicated. You can actually use a Google Doc, and you literally just use a Google Doc like you would use Word back in the day, and you just put together a headline. Now you can go to ChatGPT and say, give me a headline for a product that is, let's say, for example, 100,000 royalty-free stock images. Give me a product name for that. ChatGPT will give you a product name, you can then say, write me a headline. It will write you a headline. And then you can say, write me some sales copy for that. And you literally just paste all of that into a Google Doc and you've got your sales page. You can also use a Google Doc to deliver the product. You literally just put the links to access the product inside that Google Doc. So all of those are free. You don't need a domain. You don't need any hosting. It's all free to do. And it's very, very easy. All right, so as I said, you get Pimper as well as all those other bonuses that I showed you for free when you pick up 15 million PLR articles. You're only paying $12.95 for that anyway. So it is a no-brainer. So if you've always wondered how to make money online with PLR, this is how you do it. That's what you need to do, and you will not regret it. Just before I wrap up, I'd like to say again, please, if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and tell me in the comments below why you deserve to get some free PLR, and I'll send it to you, okay? And then to finally close, if you've been looking at my 100K Alliance and you're wondering, is that for you? All I can say to you is the 100K Alliance is a proven strategy to make a lot of money. All right, we're going to work with you by your side, hand in hand, until you get to $10,000 per month and beyond. And we have got some incredible success stories. The members are absolutely loving it, and they're making money for the first time in their lives. So if you're interested in that, you'll find a link below this as well. I can really, really recommend that. If you're looking to make a lot of money online, then the 100K Alliance is definitely the way to go. That's it from me. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment. That's not all thumbs. Subscribe, like, comment. Subscribe, like, comment. Just do that for me. Comment below. Tell me why you should get some PLR and I'll send it to you. All the best. Take care.